Good afternoon and welcome to This is Mazarron, our new project for our returning project to the Italian school. Okay, we are going to talk about different points, and the first thing is what we are going to do, and then I'm going to give you some ideas of what you are going to do and use to do your final task. So your final task is to recording a video showing our Italian partner, our town, the characteristics and some monuments around the city. You know the city quite well, but I'm going to give you some information about it. The first thing is the town. As you know, Mazarron is located in the southeast of the region of Murcia. It has more than 35,000 people living here. It has 35 kilometers of coastline with a lot of beaches we can go during the summer. It is based by the Mediterranean Sea, and we have a lot of archaeological heritage, as you know. Okay, I'm going to explain you some monuments just to know. The first one are the mines of Mazarron, that you really know, but in this case you have to know that they were from the Roman era. People used to work there to extract some minerals as zinc, silver, lead and helium. It was one of the main economical resources of Mazarron, but nowadays you only can take some photos going there to go hiking or setting it for some video clips. The other one is the castle of Los Vélez, which is located in Mazarron too. It is from the 15th century. It was used by the Marquis of Los Vélez occasionally as a house, but the mayor of the city used to live there. It was also a defense tower from the pirates' attacks, but nowadays you only can take photos. Next to it you have the old town hall. It was built in the last decade of the 19th century. It is a unique building of Mazarron, but the most unique thing and the more rare thing you are going to find is the plenary session room, which has a rich decoration at the ceiling and at the walls. And if you look at the top of the building, you are going to see like something made of zinc that was supposed to be a clock similar to the Big Bang. The next one are the erosions of Bolnuevo, which are located in Bolnuevo, a small village of the town. It is one of the most attractive monuments of Mazarron, but I think it's because the magical place, because it was made by the wind and the water erosion, and nowadays it is used for a lot of photographers to make some photos, but also for video clips and for some TV programs. The next one is the interpretation center of the Phoenician boats. There you are not going to see the Phoenician boats as you know. They are located in La Isla beach under the sea, but there you can find some information about the Phoenician boats, and also you can see a model of the Mazarron 2 boat and its real dimensions on the floor. And finally you have the Roman salting factory, which is located next to the fishing port. It is from the 4th-5th century, and there people used to salting fish to do this kind of specialty food from this area. It has in its interior the archaeological museum. Now it's your turn. You're going to record a video in groups of 4. Do it to show your Italian partners our town. Then we are going to watch all the videos and we are going to upload it to Padlet. Okay? Here you have some useful links to use. For example, the one from the tourist office of Mazarron, the one from the tourist office of Murcia, the one of the region of Murcia, YouTube to watch some videos, and Padlet where you are going to upload your videos. And that's all.